Why does your scanner show the P0599 engine code? What does it mean? P0599 is a diagnostic trouble code for thermostat heater control circuit high. The P0599 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, uses to open the thermostat earlier under heavy loads. If the heating element shorts out internally, or if there is a wiring issue, the circuit voltage. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: failed thermostat assembly, damaged wiring or connectors, corroded electrical pins, low engine coolant level, failed powertrain control module, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, BMW, Hyundai, Kia, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.